You know what, it's really tricky when you're trying to film something and do something. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to upgrade this broken Insignia key. If your key's like this, if it's broken at the hinge, or if it's just getting loose and wobbly, which they sometimes do, you can now change it from this type of key into a newer type. And these keys are very nice. They are stronger, we think, than the other ones, and they look really good. So we're going to show you how to change things over. Okay, so the important thing is that before you start breaking this key open and getting the electronics out, you get this key here with the blank blade cut so that it turns the locks. You don't want to end up with a key that is all broken up like this, okay, and then find out that you can't fit the blade from this old one into that new one and no one will cut your key. So get your key cut first, and here's one that we did earlier on. So this blade has now been cut to turn the locks. It's got no electronics inside it, and we're going to swap it all over. Can you take the blade out of here and put it straight into this key? Now that is possible. It's a little bit fiddly and you need to change things on this key. You need to alter this part slightly. We're going to make another video on how to change this to fit into there, and that will be coming soon. These are a set of circlip pliers. They are perfect for opening keys up. All we do is put them into there like that. We'll give it a squeeze and the key opens, and then give it a pull. Okay, we'll give it a little bit more. Normally that's enough. Okay, all right. Okay, so you need to give it a bit of a pull, but it opens the keys up without any damage to the circuit board, and that's really important. And it's obviously important there's no damage to your hands, because if you start poking screwdrivers in or something to open it up, you can hurt yourself. Okay, so that's your circuit board. Okay, so we're going to open this key now. I've got it cut. There's no electronics inside it, and again we'll use these. Just pop them inside gently, give them a squeeze, and it'll just open up. Really easy, this one, obviously, because there's no glue on it or anything. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to take the circuit board and we're going to put it into this part. On this key here, there's several little lugs. It's difficult to see because they're white. There's one there. You can just see, hold on, let me just get something to show you. There's one there and there's one down here. So the easiest thing is to pop this part of the key in first and then just line up those lugs. Okay, so you can just see the lug there and there, so that'll keep this in the right place. And this has stayed together, but quite a lot of the time it won't, so we'll take it apart and I'll show you what you need to do. So this here takes the spring, and it's the thing you press down to make the key work. Okay, and it goes into the blade holder, and it only goes in one way. So if it doesn't go in through, if it doesn't drop through, it's not correct. There you go. So you should be able to see that sticking out the other side. Okay. The spring has two different ends. One has a tang that goes into the middle of the spring, and the other has one that goes out to the edge of the side. And this one, this end needs to go into the key. All right, because the other one won't, obviously. Okay, and then when you've got that done, then you've got a little bit of a game now. So we need to get this hole over this spigot here. This is the thing that holds the spring. I'm sure we can do that. It's a little bit of a fiddle, so just pop it, line it up, press it in, and then you should be able to get two turns out of it. Okay, so just hold that tight. And now we've got the circuit board in this side. We've got that all ready to go, and these just need to be joined together. The easiest thing to do is to line those up there, the hole and the pin. Just give it a squeeze. You might need to do this more than once because it might not work straight away, okay? Because you're trying to do it all and it doesn't want to go together really. Okay, give it a squeeze, and then check the flip works, which it does. And so then you want the battery cover off. And here are two holes, the two holes that you need to put the screws in. The first one is going to go into here. Made a bit of meal of that, didn't I? Okay. And screw it up. And then the second one is going to go into this hole. You know what, it's really tricky when you're trying to film something and do something. Anyway, that's that done. I never realised how difficult it was. Right, that's that. Then we need a key battery. Pop it in. Nice and easy. Get yourself a decent one and you should be able to see the writing. So you know that's right way up. And then pop the cover on to hide everything up. And there you go. So we hope this is helpful. If you can give us a like or a subscribe, that'd be fantastic. There's more information about these cases in the link below. Then, oh, I just want to film.